New locks. Globe brand Chinese pot metal piece of shit locks. So let's try to open this. I have this big one and another one a little bit smaller. And it's open. Take a look at the keyway. It's pretty narrow and little bit wording there. I don't know if you can see it, but not really bad, but not good either. But I bet I can saw through this in a couple of minutes. This is just pot metal. Yeah, and the other one is same but smaller and even narrower keyway, and the keys are like this. Not really radical fitting. Yeah, thanks for watching, and Jenna, don't take my chippo. Say hello. Hello.